Over here, Presley, look. This is yours. Over here, look.
What?
Uh-huh.
Are Easter eggs? Yes! You put stickers on them. Toys!
Yeah, that's Presley's side, homie.
This is my thing when I need to get leaves.
Yeah. It's called a rake.
Here's my another one. Here's my other parent thing. I had one last week. Now I have another one.
Uh-huh.
And I have a gun. And I have a backpack. This is my backpack.
It's kind of girly. The Easter Bunny got it for you to take to the swimming pool.
These are Easter eggs?
Yeah, those are hers.
Hey, that's my stuff.
Presley,
Presley.
look.
Whoa.
Look.
Wow. Look at them. What? This is that.
Mm-hmm.
Look, then there's just your backpack.
Look. Look.
What?
Backpack.
Whoa. A bat. A backpack.
Yeah. Whoa.
We don't have the same thing as that.
Nope, y'all don't have the
You
same.
get a lot of the same things.
But you don't have eggs like her.
Yeah, you moved them. Look under that backpack.
Look under your backpack.
What?
Do you know what kind of eggs those are? They have Play-Doh in them.
So you can play with? Daddy, so I'm
Uh-huh.
Hey, what's this? What was the what?
Mm-hmm. With bubbles in it. Don't open it right now. Don't open it right now. You can open some of it, just not the bubbles, because it'll spill everywhere. What is that, Presley? It's stuck.
It's a candy bunny. There's candy in the bunny.
So, do we have a good Easter?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's open our stuff.